actually be able to talk in this video because Kristen's not watching Game of Thrones. Well, she's not here at all. So, we're gonna make very easy and simple chicken and rice casserole. So, this is literally the easiest recipe you will ever see for chicken and rice. So, you just need some cooking spray and coat all of the bottom of your pan. I think this is an 8x8 pan. I think the recipe calls for it to be bigger, but I found that I like it being smaller. So first you'll add that, and then you'll need 1 cup of water. And trust me, after all the times that I've made this, I've learned that the order that I'm doing this is the easiest to do it. So you might want to follow the exact order that I do. Then you are going to need 1 can of cream of mushroom soup, and make sure it is condensed. If it's not condensed, then the like regular cream of mushroom is like too liquidy. So mix these two together a little bit before you add anything else in there, because if you don't really break down that soup before you try and add the rice in there, it gets a little difficult. There went my knife. Let's just go ahead and get rid of that. Then you are going to need to take salt and be generous. Pepper. And then you'll need 1 cup of rice. We always get the bagged rice, and conveniently it ends up being 1 cup of rice. It has to be uncooked rice. It cannot be cooked rice. And then just stir that up. While you're doing all these steps, make sure you are setting your oven to 350. So once this is nice and mixed up, no longer any clumps of soup. I mean, you'll of course see a few clumps because you know there's mushrooms in there, but now you are going to take your pound of chicken, and the recipe calls for the chicken to be whole, but A, it cooks faster to be cubed, and 2, I just like it better that way. Now, after all that is done, you are going to need to cover the dish with either a lid or aluminum foil, depending on what kind of baking dish you have. And that was it, folks. Put it in the oven for 30 to 45 minutes. It's been 30 minutes now. Trying not to burn myself. Now all we need to do is cut a piece of chicken from the middle and make sure that everything is cooked. And it is. Easy, simple chicken and rice. Sprinkle a little bit more pepper. And you're good to eat. Bye.